Client onboarding is the main part of freelancing. It leaves the first impression on the client and make sure to onboard clients properly so that you don't get into scams and everything. Now let's discuss my onboarding procedure. Our first thing is Invoice. Invoice is basically a bill of your services. You can easily create it using apps like Zoho Invoice, PayPal, and much more. In this, you have to enter the name, amount, and description of your services. And most of the newbies get confused that they do need a GST number. But in the beginning, you don't need. After 20 lakhs, you need to have a GST number. Now comes the second thing, that is agreement. Most of the freelancers do this mistake, वो agreement ही नहीं देते हैं. Agreement is damn crucial क्योंकि freelancing में you are in the online world, scams होने के chances बहुत ज़्यादा होते हैं. So agreement helps you to fight that. एक agreement क्या है? You need to include name of both the parties, starting date, the services you will be given, a detailed description of services, like if you are a graphic designer, 5 browsers, 4 Instagram posts, 4 this and that, a detailed description, and your charges and everything, extra charges if you have to work anytime extra. You need to give a deep description of that, and also include e-signatures of you as well as your clients with dates. An agreement is damn crucial. You can easily generate it using ChatGPT and then adding your inputs to it. But agreement is a must. Number third, that most of the freelancers do not do is onboarding guides and onboarding resources. You need to send them a formal onboarding email with some free resources that is going to help them out. You can also send your strategies and how you will work, a detailed description of that with dates. So onboarding guide is must. It will take you like a little bit of time in the beginning, but then it is going to help you to get a very great first impression with most of your clients. So this is damn crucial. I hope you like this video. Client onboarding बहुत easy है. Make sure to watch my other videos about freelancing. They will also help you out. This is Sameeksha Juneja signing off.